What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about some updates for Stag Industrial, a real estate investment trust which trades under the ticker STAG. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about Stag Industrial here on my channel about a month ago, and since that video, Stag Industrial has seen some great upward movement, with Stag stock currently trading at just under $48 per share at the time that I'm recording this video. This upward movement in Stag Industrial share price comes off of a month filled with positive news, such as Stag announcing completion of the largest rooftop community solar project in the country, collaboration with Donors' Choice on a national charitable contribution campaign, and participation in 2 industry conferences. And in addition to that, analysts have been suggesting that investors add Stag Industrial to their watch list because it could have a lot more upside potential ahead of it, citing that Stag Industrial has been seeing increasing earnings per share quarter over quarter on each of its past earnings reports. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about Stag Industrial as an investment? Like I've discussed in my prior videos, as a long-term investment, I continue to love Stag Industrial. As a company that is currently trading with a market capitalization of $8.7 billion, I believe that Stag Industrial at its current levels continues to be a steal as a long-term investment, with the expectation that the company will not only see share price appreciation, but will also pay back investors significant returns in the form of monthly dividends. But with that being said, there's also no denying the short-term risks that exist, such as the ongoing pandemic with increasing numbers being seen each day, and from a business fundamentals perspective, the fact that Stag Industrial is largely dependent on Amazon, who is their #1 tenant. So in the event that things were to go south with Amazon, then Stag would take a huge hit financially in the short term. But even though they are largely dependent on Amazon, currently Amazon makes up only 3.8% of their leases. So I believe that they would be able to weather that storm in the long term. So for these reasons, I plan to continue to hold my shares of Stag Industrial for the long term, collect those monthly dividends, and consistently add to my position over time whenever the opportunities arise. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on my research. An investment in Stag Industrial, like an investment in all stocks, comes with risk. So if you're thinking about investing in Stag Industrial, please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. What are your thoughts about Stag Industrial? Are you invested in Stag? Are you thinking about investing in Stag stock? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.